So this is the owl's eye, and for this task we're going to change the colour of the owl's eye. It's real easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to start by selecting the magnifying glass, and we're going to drag a box over the eye. Oops, didn't select the right thing. Let me just pop that back. Make sure you select the tool. There's a mistake. So the tool's highlighted, drag a box over the eye. Makes it much bigger, much easier to see. Now, to select just this area, what we're going to do is we're going to use the magic wand. They call it the fuzzy select tool, but that's because the magic wand is in Photoshop. So, having that selected, we're going to make sure that we've got feather edges turned on, and we're going to increase our threshold. In fact, I'll show you what it's like. If I select this area here, we get this amount of selection. Now, if I just increase that to say 30 and select, I get a much bigger selection, which is good, but it's not all of it. I'm going to hold the Shift key on the keyboard and click another area, and just keep clicking until I'm happy I've got pretty much all the eye that I want. That's good. Don't worry too much about the black. Now, to be able to change the colour, we go up to the Colours menu item and we select Hue and Saturation. And all we've got to do is change the hue to whatever colour we want the eye to be and click OK. Now we can deselect our selection, select a none, and if we zoom back out again, or we can go to View, Zoom and Fit Image in Window, we can see the owl's eye has changed colour. How easy was that? Go on, give it a go.